Hi, this is Jacob Bedon for my Lab9 final demo. Basically, this lab consists of turning the LED dimmer and a lot brighter using the potential moderator. So basically, we have initialized the clock speed, the define fault. In the main function, I initialized the port C1. The 1 is from the Y variable, which is 9. My Y in my red ID, my Y is 9, and then 9 module 8 is 1. So then it will be pin C1. And then I imported the LED, the clear, initialize the ADC, initialize the PWM timer 1, initialize the LED timer 2, and then have an infinity while loop. And then here's all the functions I have. I have an ISR ADC vector. Basically, it's initialize the potential monitor to ADC, and then puts it in the OCR 2B. And then the next timer is consisted of a turn on the LED. So if it's greater than 0, then the LED would turn on. And then the next ISR function is turning off the LED. This consists of initializing the ADC. Basically, I have reference 1, and then enables the ADC auto trig and conversion, and then compares the match to the last one. And then for the last two functions, it consists of the LED timer. Basically, turns on the LED, and then for this OCR value 88, I got it from a Z value, which is basically the frequency. So every time it generates every interrupt. And then the interrupt pins for timer 2. And then for my PWM timer, it goes to CTC mode. My OCR value 62 comes from the X value, which is 3. So it's X plus 1 milliseconds. And then it's kind of screwed up here. For the Z value, it's used for the frequency instead of the X value is used for the every interrupt. And then for the circuit here, I have the potential meter right here. So then the middle one is the output, which is pin C1, goes right here. The bottom one is the VCC, and then the outside of it right here is the ground. So when I run my code, successful. And, so it's all the way to the left. Now as I turn it, it gets dimmer. So say that's 0 to 10%, 20 to 10%. Let me turn off my light. $30 to 40%, 50%, 60, and then all the way to 90 to 100%, it gets brighter. And when I turn it to the left, it turns off. Therefore, thank you for listening to my presentation.